Hello, Facebook. Hello, Facebook. What's happening, everybody? Sometimes I don't know how the camera works here. It shows me at one magnification, then all of a sudden when I go live, it like zooms me in. This is on the computer. I'm not sure what's going on here. I don't know how to adjust that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. All right, so looking at clipping and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I don't know why it does that. I'll have to do some more research on that. I'll have to Google it afterwards. But it is Sunday, the 28th of March. March was a quick month, it seemed like. Really quick month. And let's see. Some really exciting things going on here. First, I want to talk about we're doing these weekly 9.99 specials, and now I decided to do like this insane promotion for the whole month of April. It started the other day, and for the whole month of April, behind me, this one direction here, I put up a new wine rack because I got a lot of really awesome wine in that we're doing this amazing promotion with. Two steaks and a bottle of wine to go for $34.99. If you don't eat ribeyes and you want salmon, we can substitute salmon, or we can sub a vegetarian dish. That's easy to do. Our chickpea and eggplant, we'll be happy to sub those out and do one salmon, one steak, or whatever. It's an amazing deal. It's like a $70 value if you were to sit down and eat it. And I can only offer it to go. It's only for takeout. It's not valid for in. I've had a few people ask me, and I apologize, I can't. Because when you take food home, I don't have to do your dishes. I don't have to have a server come over to the table. I don't have to heat the building. I don't have to do all that kind of stuff. So there's sort of a scale of economics, and I don't have to pay somebody to watch it. I don't. It's just different, right? It's a lot less cost in if you're taking food home. That's why we've always done take out food at a discount. So ever since the pandemic hit, we really focused on offering a great value. And if the food's sitting here, I'm not making money if it's sitting here. So that's the story with that. It is a to-go only special, these 9.99s, and the ribeye steaks are to-go only. So two cooked ribeye steaks with a bottle of wine, $34.99, $70 value. That's going to go to the end of April. Next month's next month's next week's 9.99 special is calamari, grilled calamari. We're bringing our calamari back, and it's going to be $9.99 all week next week. So stay tuned for that email tomorrow and that information. It is crummy out today. It's really, really crummy out. We're open inside. If you want to sit outside, you can, but we just can't send waitstaff outside. I don't want to send people back and forth in the rain, but it is really, the tent's out there, and you'd be dry, but it's just not that great to send staff out. So what happened to me today that's never happened? Jamie had to pick me up. So I went on my morning run, and I was attempting to do 18 miles. Attempting to do 18 miles this morning with a friend, and we just started running, and we got past Kerhonkson from Ellenville. We got, I don't know, maybe 2 miles past Kerhonkson. We went on the rail trail and part of the road and up there. And on the way back, it started downpouring. And it was a cold, cold, cold rain. It was in low 40s, mid 40s, cold, cold rain. And we were soaked. And we kept going like another mile or so, another mile. And finally, we looked at each other. I'm like, should we call Jamie and have her come pick us up? And that's what we did. Jamie had to come pick me up this morning. Me and a friend up. We got 12 miles in. We get all 18 miles in, but we were soaked and cold, and I've never really called Jamie to come pick me up before when I've been out running. So that was the first time. Called in and said, "Come pick me up. We are done. We're totally done." We just weren't expecting the rain. We weren't wearing the right gear for that temperature of rain. Because I do have a running raincoat that if I would have left with that running raincoat, it would have been a lot easier. Same thing with my friend. We were both not really dressed properly for that kind of weather. If you follow me, you know I run no matter what the temperature is. If it's -5, if it's a blizzard, if it's whatever, I just go run because I have the proper gear for it. Just didn't have the proper gear today, so I was able to do, I don't know. So we probably did 8 miles without rain, and we did 4 miles in the rain, and so it just was one of those things where call and come pick us up. If you're tuning in live, by the way, drop a comment, #live. Let us know where you're tuning in from. There was one other time that Jamie picked me up running. It wasn't my doing. This was back in 2004. Beginning of 2004, it was like February, March 2004, right after we opened. And then I didn't run with a cell phone back then, right? You didn't run with a cell phone. I didn't really even carry a cell phone on you all the time. But I never ran with a cell phone on me. And Jamie, we got bad news about our liquor license here at the restaurant. They issued it and then they retracted it right away. So Jamie had to come find me, and she drove around all of Ellenville looking for me running. She found me on my way up to Eastview up the hill there with some friends running. So that was only the time that she actually came to pick me up. But this time I said, nope, come get me, come pick me up. It's miserable out.
I don't even remember that.
You don't remember that, do you? Yeah. It happened, Jamie. It happened. Jamie's going to do a Facebook Live here pretty soon, I think, right? You're doing a cocktail, Jamie?
I am going to, yeah.
Are you making one now?
No, I'm making white sangria.
Whoa, sangria.
To-go order.
Oh, okay.
So sweet.
I'm having an espresso. So, that's it, everybody.
Just make sure everybody knows you're okay, because people are worried about you and texting me.
Worried about what?
What is the title of your...
Oh, Jamie had to pick me up.
Yeah.
So I'm okay. Jamie had to pick me up because my run was miserable in the rain, pouring rain. Got 12 miles in. 12 or 18 miles we got in and called Jamie and said, come get us. She had to drive down on Burn Road for us. But we got 12 miles in the weather, and 4 miles of it was rain. And then after you picked us up, we were like, you know what? We only had 6 miles left, and it's kind of just drizzling out now. It's not downpouring. So... you brought us some clean shirts. We could have easily changed and I guess kept running, but today wasn't in the cards. So Len's saying octopus. Yeah, Len, we have octopus on the menu now. We got the octopus chickpea and chorizo. It's on the menu. That is on our menu on the specials. We made another menu change to the specials. We got rid of our buffalo mozzarella from Campagna, and we're going 100% with the burrata buffalo mozzarella from Andrea, Italy, from Apulia. Burrata is the mozzarella that's stuffed inside with more mozzarella and a little cream. That stuff is amazing, so that is on our menu full time now. Thanks, Heidi, for that. Is that a chipmunk, Heidi, or what is that with an umbrella? So Len says that's excellent. Yep, so the chorizo and octopus is on the menu. We buy this amazing Spanish octopus, so we sous vide it, so we slow cook it at like 170 degrees for 4 hours with just some extra virgin olive oil and some salt. Goes into the pouch, and that's it. It's a really, really amazing octopus. It's so tender, like really super tender, and not like overcooked and shriveled up. It's really an awesome. So, good morning, Ralph. Heidi's on, Mary's on. Hi, Cheryl. Cheryl's on. So, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Jamie will be on doing a Facebook Live in a bit with, I think, a cocktail today. It is rainy and miserable out, but we are open. And, of course, to-goes. Call 647. Patrick's here. 647-3000. 647-3000 to place your orders. Groceries as well. And that's it, folks. Have an amazing, amazing day. And we will talk to you later.